Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to delete a folder from your iPhone home screen. So the device that I use today is iPhone XR, and the folder that I talk to you here now is this. So this called a folder. So this folder is appear on your home screen to make you easier grouping or gathering the application that has the same uses. So for example, here the folder for the methods containing the application that relate to social media kind of things, and after that the productivity, it has containing like several applications to work with, and so on and so on. So if you feel that your home screen here is already too crowded and you want to delete some of them, you can do that easily. So the things that you have to do now is just click and hold the folder that you want to delete. So click and hold until this option is pop up on your home screen, and after that you just need to go click remove folder, and now you need to confirm it that you want to remove this folder from your home screen. And whenever you do that, now the folder is already disappear as well as the application on it, but the application will not gonna be uninstalled from your home from your phone. You can still find it on your app library. So that's the way how to delete the folder on your home screen with iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial is really useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and see you for the next video.